Ja, ja kumbobola. Ja, ja kumbobola. Budia. Toma. Bufinga mfundi. Banantaku. Sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samuja, otubele, otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samuja. Otubele, otukala. Wajabari. Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba. Seba. Watombolaka. Seba. Wafinka fundi, wafinga fundi. Seba. Wafinga fundi, wafinga fundi. Bimba. Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe. Seba. Na tombolaka. Seba. Wafinga fundi. Wafinga fundi. Seba. Wafinga fundi, wafinga fundi. Bimba. Tomolotonda, kundiri mwamba o. Ayokela, kantini ayokela. Yokele, kantini ayokela. Yokela, kantini ayokela. Yokele, kantini ayokela. Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwini aja nsungma desiberi agana ni yembiri kyau na ni yembiri yau kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o. Na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba. Seba. Na tombolaka. Seba. Wafinga fundi, wafinga fundi. Seba. Wafinga fundi, wafinga fundi. nalamba mwamba lamba supwe natombolaka wasinga fundi wasinga fundi wasinga fundi wasinga fundi bimba kama latonda kundiri mwanga
Tokolonga Mona mère Rogatien Milor Garo Marca Mama C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous. Motivés et déterminés, nous y arriverons certainement. Tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences. Et ensemble, we are one, you and I. Let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimia eloko nyonso komaka na ngonga nango.
Kiambote tatane.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Lunama vimpi
Tunama vimpi yeno
Tepe tunama vimpi. Well done. Let me just greet the audience. Hello. If you're watching, thank you very much. We thank you. Don't move. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo, Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. I'm just trying a new format and see what's happened. Totally. Yes.
Okay.
Well done. Thank you for coming, Totally.
Sure.
You are brave. Yes. We will be talking, yeah?
Okay.
We are in the same room, yeah? We are sitting down and chatting. You are. I mean, as I said last time, we have enough material, written. Have a lot. So, are you ready? Yes?
I guess, yes, I'm ready.
It's good to talk. Please don't open your notes here. Just
okay. Don't open. Okay, I'm putting my notes to the side.
Don't worry, I'm going to help you, but
okay.
See to a Mokina. Remember Kikongo. When it comes to vowel, Mokena. Yes, certainly. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry too much about the vowels. As long as you know the meaning of the word. Let's say We say Kivu, but I'm from Quilfuta. See the ladies on that picture, my profile. Those two ladies from Quilfuta would say Fula. Kivu question, yes? Fula. So don't worry, Kivu. Kivu is a question. But in my area, Quilfuta say Fula. Yes. Any questions before we start our talk?
Well, no.
No, okay. Okay. Tutondele. Remember the verb tuka. Tuka meaning what's the meaning of the tuka?
Yeah, come from.
Yes, coming from. Okay.
Coming from.
Yes. Okay. We let me try to hold my pen and try to scribble something here. Yeah. So tuka. Kwe. What does kwe mean?
Kwe is where? It's for
yes.
kwe.
Okay. Well done. Kwe tukidi tatanle. This is my question. Kwe tukidi.
Kwe tukidi.
This is my. I'm asking you, kwe tukidi. Remember the question because they were talking. It is a location. Remember locative preposition. Yes.
Okay.
As soon as you, whenever you're talking about location, always remember your first word. What locative preposition? What is it?
Kuokuna.
Yes. Okay. So I'm asking you, kwe tukidi. I'm going to help you because this is not easy. Tuka.
Okay.
Tuka is the verb. Now it is present perfect. Perfect.
Is it
indicative? Yes. Indicative.
Okay. So it's Luanda Itatuka.
Yes, no, it's perfect, but I want you to use perfect, because my question was not continuous. Yeah, how to say present continuous? Yes, remember.
You said so. The question is, where am I coming from, right?
It is the verb is your verb is tuka. I didn't ask kwe utatuka. My question was kwe tukidi. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Those ones. Wow. Okay. So where have I been?
No. The meaning of the verb is still the same. Where you come from, yeah?
Okay. Well, no. Yeah. Where I come from. Okay, but it's
But present perfect indicative. Therefore, first person, the key word is nasal. Remember?
Yeah. Okay. There's a okay. So it should be a.
Try. I know it's hard. Don't worry. Try.
Luanda.
Yes. At least first syllable. So
it'll be a.
I want you to hit the nasal. NTU. Yeah.
Intuka. Intukiri.
Tukidi. Yeah. Well done.
Intukiri.
Yeah. Kumbanza como tukidi. Yeah. I mean.
So is it intukiri or is it
No, be careful because whenever we're using, remember verbs, it's very, but let's say everything depends on tense, yes? Because we're talking perfect, present, perfect, indicative, forget the pronouns, standard pronouns, yeah? At least the singular bit. Yeah. Your nasal is your pronoun. We could say that your nasal. Ntugi means your first singular. Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Plural is easy. If I ask you, Kwelutukidi, you many. Where are you coming from? What would be the answer? Kwelutukidi.
Uh,
Cool. Yeah, locative. Always locative preposition first thing.
Kulwanda
Yeah.
Tudidi. No.
Tutukidi. Yes. Tutukidi. Yes.
Tu. Is it Tutukidi? Okay, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Tutukidi. Yeah.
Tutukidi. Yes. Yes.
Tutukidi.
Although it's always easy to use a present continuous. Tutatuka. Yes.
Oh wow.
Tutatuka too easy. You know. Tutatuka too easy.
Yeah.
Because you just keep your verb as it is. Just use ta for your continuous. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Kwe. Okay. Well done. Kwe is your where, and ki. Ki is what? Ki. Ki. Nki. Ki.
In key. Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to ask you a question. Ki. What is Nki?
In key is Oh gosh. In key is it an interjection?
It is what?
What? Okay. Yeah. In key.
Yeah.
Key.
Okay. Remember, your verb is present, perfect, indicative, no standard person pronoun. I mean the singular part. Yes. Dia means
To eat.
yes. Okay. My question is Nki didi.
In key D.
Your verb is dia. Remember the key word is your nasal. You are the first person. Present perfect indicative. Nki didi. I've just arrived. At your home. Your place. Oh, Kididi. Yes,
Okay.
Kididi. You've eaten something. Kididi.
Madezu Ndidi.
Yes. Well done, bravo. Yeah. We're getting there. Yes. Yes. And even indeed. Yes. So your nasal is the first person. Okay. You are many. I'm asking you many. Nkilu didi.
Kilo Didi.
Object first. Yeah.
Okay. I guess I can just say Madezu Tudidi.
Madezo. Well, bravo. Yeah. Because the hardest bit is the first person, see? Because the first person, I mean, it depends on the verb, you see? There's no, how do you call it? There's no pattern, yes? It depends on the verb, yeah. Okay. That's why it's good to be familiar with the verbs, yeah? We go indeed, dia, first person. Noir means?
No, it's to drink.
Yes. That becoming hard now. My question is, Kinwini. you you try to find try to find your nasal.
Is it gonna be
Nasal first, yeah.
okay?
NDS.
Yeah, ND is it Nuidi? No. I don't for Noir.
Yeah, you could try it. Go again. Yeah, it's hard. It's not easy. Try, do your best. Ndwini. ND.
Nuili or
Ndwini.
Ndwini. Ndwini. Wow.
Did I send the text? Let me just try. Let me stress if I can find. Yeah. I think I did send you a text.
For the I'm sure you did.
No, a long time ago. No. Okay, this is hard. Okay, Ndwini, yes. What else? Give me 1 minute. I just need to make sure. I lost my phone. Okay, gone. Okay. Okay. In key, what? Where?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. D. I just want to. I need to find my file because I don't make mistakes. People are watching. Many people learn like this. See, some people just need to. Remember. Can't find it now. Okay.
Then we do like sala and
Yes. Yes. Those verbs. Said I didn't find my file. Give me 1 minute. I need to find that file. Very important. 'Cause the hardest bit in Congo is, man, for someone who is learning, is not Mukongo. I mean, Congo. Many member Congo don't speak Congo anyway. Present perfect is hard. Then your we call it. Sorry, give me. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, we need your first. Can you think of another verb? Let's see if we can find the.
find another word verb.
Yeah, any verbs if we can find no. Okay, noir di
How about is it Quenda?
well done. Yes, you tell. Okay. The question will be continuous, but try to answer perfect. Yes, because continuous is too easy. Okay, if I ask you, uh, okay, quite well. Okay, this is a present perfect anyway. It's negative. Quite well. Quite well. Well
Well,
is quenda.
yeah.
Perfect indicator.
Um, where ku ku um kumba
Yeah, always good.
yeah
Good.
ku London
Yeah,
ngiele.
très bien. You need to speak French here. Très bien. Très bien. Okay. Yes, because we just want to remember. Present continuous is too easy. Totally. You just use
Yeah.
your TA. Yes, you don't need to. You just use your TA. Just keep the verb as it is. I don't think it's helpful, because it make us lazy. You become lazy. But here you're trying to push your brain. Yes, well done. Ngele, wele, wele him. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Then okay, first plural. Then where are you going? You many. Where are you going? Ku first. Yeah. Ku some place.
Ku
Yeah.
ku okay ku London Dwele.
Bravo. Yeah. Well done. Yeah. Well done. Yes. I'm trying to. I think I'm going to find my. Yeah. Well done. Okay. Now, I mean, this is a bit hard because correspondence correspond. I don't know how to translate. It's not obvious in English. Quiza, to come, yes. To arrive. Do you remember the verb to arrive?
To arrive.
Yeah.
No, I don't remember that.
Yeah, it is hard.
To arrive.
To arrive, yes.
Hmm.
Luaka.
Luaka.
Tell him Luaka.
Okay. Is it
Luaka,
Luaka?
yes. This one is one.
Okay, Luaka. Okay.
Yes, NWAKA. Are you brave to tell again?
Is it Nwaka or Luaka?
No,
NW.
LW.
Oh,
Luaka, yes.
LW. Luaka. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I've arrived.
I have
Tell him.
arrived.
Yes.
You said Luaka.
It's not easy. Do your best.
Would it be
I remember it should be nasal. Yeah? Go ahead. Yes.
yeah?
ND. Yeah? ND.
Isn't
Yes. Go ahead.
Luaka?
Yes. You can do it.
I don't know. I don't know. Ndwaka?
Ndweke. Yeah. Ndweke. Yes.
Ndweke.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Well done.
Okay.
Because your Luaka is your infinitive. Yes.
Yeah.
Ndweke.
Ndweke.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Another verb. Can you figure? Because if you can come up with a verb, I think you will remember that verb. Yes, forever. Don't forget.
I don't know all the verbs we've done. What? We did I don't know, Vova.
Yes, Vova. Okay. Let's go.
Quiza or
Yes. Okay. Mona. Remember Mona. Mona.
yeah to
Mona
see.
means yes. Okay.
Yeah, Mona.
If I ask you to tell Kimwene, remember Ki is Ki? Can you translate my sentence? Kimwene. Kimwene.
Key is what, right? What have you seen?
What? Yeah. Correct. Yes. So your answer, Mona.
So how you want me to answer it still in the present
Yes,
perfect?
please. I'm just okay. Kimwene. Tell eh?
Okay, what have you seen?
Yeah, just stick. We need to stick to your remember our rule. Yes, object always first thing.
Okay,
Object. Yes, to make it easy. Yes. Any
I'm
object.
Okay.
Nuni is bird. Yeah, Nuni.
Okay.
Nuni.
Okay. Nuni. Nuni.
Yes. MB. Your nasal.
Mbwene. Nuni
Yeah.
Mbwene.
Well done. Yeah, you did well. Yeah. Nuni Mbwene. Well, you could say Mbwene Nuni, but just stick to that. Make it easier. Yes. To follow, remember to follow in Kikongo.
Landa.
Well, the land, yeah, remember.
Landa.
Yeah, your nasal, yeah, remember nasal. Okay. Nani, what does it mean, Nani?
Nani, who?
Well done. Okay. My question will be Nani Lende.
Nani Lende.
Who have you followed?
Who have you followed?
Nani Lende.
Ngudi.
Well done.
Ngudi. Den.
Well done, Dende. Well, bravo.
Ngudi Dende.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Nki, Nki, Nki is always what? Nki, long. What does mean? Longoka, Longoka. What does it mean?
Longoka is that student? No,
What you doing now?
how
Longoka
long
is
it?
what?
Oh, to learn.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah, because I
yes,
know Longaki is the student, right?
yeah. Longoki, yeah. Longi is teacher.
Long is a
Longoki.
teacher. Yeah. Okay.
The root is the verb longa, to teach. Mm. Longoka, to learn. Okay.
Longoka.
Uh, what was my question? Mm, okay. Nki Nki Longokele. Mm,
Key.
Longokele. Can you translate? Can you
Key.
translate into English? Nki Longokele.
Um. Long. Okay. So
Yes.
what have you learned?
Correct. Yes. So your answer in Gigongo.
Um.
Object first to make it easy. Object first.
Yeah. Kikongo.
Bravo.
Mm,
ND, eh? NDO, yeah?
Ndo.
Yeah.
Ndo. Ndongo kele. Ndongole.
Bravo, yeah. Gikongo Ndongokele. Okay. Uh, did I ask you Mona Kimwene?
Yeah.
Again, Tatan Kimwene. Bird is Nuni. Kimwene.
You said bird is Nuni, right?
Yeah, yes. Nuni or Ny. Nuni.
Okay. Nuni. No. Nuni Mbwene.
Yeah, yeah, good, yes. Buene Nuni. Nuni Mbuene. Go for
Mbwene Nuni. Okay.
yeah, it's correct. It's either way should be okay. Because I'm saying that because I think last time we talked about that. Because of variant, it's very always hard to know if it's correct or not. Yeah, totally. Hmm? The small things. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Are you with me? Yes.
Yeah. No, I'm with you.
Yeah. When someone says Mwengi, you wouldn't say it's wrong.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
No.
No, I got it. Yeah.
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 Mm. Okay. Nata. Remember the verb nata? Okay, let me just go to Israel. Salah, you know this. Salah.
Yeah. Salah is to work, right?
Yes. Okay. To sit. Sit it down. To sit down.
Sit.
Kosoka.
Kosoka.
Yeah, kosoka. Okay. Seva means?
To do what?
Seva. The verb seva.
To laugh.
Yeah, right there, right there. Sompa. Don't look at your notes.
Ah.
Sompa. Sompa, two meanings. You know, Sompa, to marry. Yes.
I know.
Or,
We did. We covered this one, but man.
yeah. Remember, to marry or, we live in the West. To marry or to borrow, yes?
To borrow. Okay.
Yeah. Sompa. Toile. To bring.
Okay. To bring.
Bring.
Twala.
Twala. Villa Cana. Ah, Villa Kene. Villa Kene. Villa Kene Vova. I'm going to help you. I'm trying to help you. Villa Kene Vo. Ah, that should be that's fine. Villa Kene. Uh, Okay. I want you to get this. Mvila kene nzimbu munanzo. Mvila kene nzimbu munanzo. Mvila kene nzimbu zame. Mvila kene nzimbu. Nzimbu is what?
Nzimbu is song, right?
Nzimbu money.
Oh, money. Oh, money. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Mvila kene nzimbu zame. Yeah. Can you translate in English? Mvila kene nzimbu zame.
Okay.
Mvila kene nzimbu zame munanzo.
Okay. So, I left money at home, or
Well done. I've forgotten. Yeah.
forgot.
Forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done. Mvila
In
kene.
Joe's
Yeah.
house. Okay.
Yeah. Let me try to go back then. Kuzandu itakwenda. No, I don't want to use ta because okay. Ngele kuzandu kansi mvila kene nzimbu zame munanzo. Long sentence, yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Now take it bit by bit, yeah. Ngele kuna zandu. Yes. Can you translate this? Yeah.
Ngele.
Remember you did that. The kwenda, yeah. Present perfect. Look at ngele kuna zandu.
Okay. I've gone to the
Yes.
market.
Yes. Kansi mvila kene nzimbu zame.
But I've forgotten
Nzimbu zame. Well done. Nzimbu zame.
my money at home.
Well done. Yeah.
Okay.
You're no longer a beginner. I know you're there. You just, I mean, I can't say that because I could say if you go to Mbanza, Congo, or somewhere where people only spoke Congo, I can't say that sadly. See?
No, if it's when it's said slow enough, I can pick out certain words
Okay.
like Nzo,
Yeah.
Zami.
Yeah, you are right because the way natives speak the language, man. Some people, I mean, speaking one thing, teaching those other things. Just speak. They take it for granted. Ngele kuna zandu kasi mvila kene so mvila kene nzimbu zame unanzo. Meaning that mvila kene is your vila kana is the verb. Okay. To carry.
Didn't you say it was
To carry.
Did we say that one? I gotta look at my notes.
Don't look look at it. Okay, let me just ask you the question.
Okay.
Then maybe it's going to help. Key, remember key, huh? What?
Key what?
Yeah. Kinete. Kinete.
What have you carried?
Yes. Then you answer anything. Madezo, yeah?
Madezu.
ND, yeah? Ndete, yeah. Ndete, yes. Well done. I mean, as soon as you, but it's not that easy. If you know the your first singular, yeah, Nezo, the rest is just something, just repeats, yes. Because if I say nete, to nete, see?
Yeah, because everything changes to either in
From
E, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you're adding the nasal, okay.
Yeah, yes. The first bit is hard, your first singular. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay, try to translate me here. It's always hard to make question. Okay, maybe. Let's just say to, just for the sake of learning, maybe it's not that grammatical correct. Term of grammatics is not that correct, but key sevele. I just want to use the verb sever. Remember, sever means
To laugh.
yeah. Key sevele. I want you to use your first singular, first person.
Key
Kisevele. Oh, mudiamudi kisevele. Mudiam. Okay. Anyway, let's translate me. Mudiamudi kisevele. Totally.
What?
Mudiambu.
You said mudia?
Diambu. I'm talking diambu. Yeah, diambu. Diambu is one word.
Okay, diambu.
Mudiambudi kisevele.
What? What have you laughed?
It's just why. It's just why.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so in key in this case, we're using it as why.
Yeah. Mudiamudi ki. This one.
What is it? Why have you laughed? Or
yeah, it is why, but literally it mean what is the cause? That's why you are laughing. Yeah, if literally. See?
okay.
Yeah, you could say that. Mudamdiki. What is the cause? Why? Mudamdiki sevele. So why? Yes, why have you laughed? Then you answer first singular, of course. You start with the verb straight, go straight, yeah.
I mean, well, let me.
NSES.
So I wouldn't put the object first.
No, don't worry about the objects.
So in sevele.
Yeah. Then you repeat my sentence, Mudiambu, because, yes.
Okay, sevele mudiambu.
Yes. Sevele Mudiambu. You're going to translate my sentence. Sevele Mudiambu kiesembwene. Yes. two verbs, remember? Remember two verbs for no present perfect indicative. Sevele Mudiambu kiesembwene. Remember mbwene mona, yes?
Yeah. Okay, so
Sevele Mudiambu. You know kiese?
Kiese is what, joy?
Yeah. Sevele Mudiambu.
So
yes, you start with your verb sevele.
Okay, sevele mudiambu. And then you say kiese buene.
Mbwene, kiese mbwene. Remember mona, kiese mbwene.
Yeah, so I'm laughing.
Boy, in English, you
No. I've laughed because
yes,
I'm
happy. Yes,
I'm happy, or
you could say
because of joy, or
yeah. Translating Bantu language into.
So you wouldn't say because I have seen joy, or I have.
No. Because
okay, so
Kikongo say when you say mbwene kiese, not really seen in Congo, yes.
Okay.
Because I remember what's the verb? Okay, mbwene in that case mbwene. You could say if I say mbwene wonga means okay. We use this as a. I'm not sure if you could say.
How do you spell wonga?
Wonga. Wonga.
Wonga. Okay.
Yeah, to be afraid. Yes.
Okay, to be afraid.
We use mbwene everywhere. Mbwene wonga. Okay. In this case, the mona is not mbwene as mona is not mbwene mona really. Are you with me totally? We're using.
No, I missed the last part.
Yeah, we're using mona as auxiliary, I mean, quote unquote, yes, because when kiese means kiese is your joy. Literally would be I've seen joy. Yeah, in Kikan.
I've
Yeah,
seen joy. Oh,
yeah.
I am
You mean
happy.
just I'm happy? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
When wonga, you don't say I've seen. What would you translate?
I've seen fear.
No, mas Kikongo this.
Yeah.
You could even say, although it's not the proper word, word will be funga makasi. Mbwene, yeah, you could say mbwene nganzi. Nganzi, Anger in English, yes? Yeah, totally.
What are you
Nganzi.
saying? Like
Oh, no,
guns is that
okay,
anger?
Kikongo, Nganzi, Nganze. You say Z.
Nganze.
Nganze. I, sorry. I.
Nganze.
Nganzi is
Nganze.
anger. Anger, yes?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And Kikongo, he would say, Mbwen. Are you imitating? We use Mbwen as a.
Yeah. Yeah. It's You
Yeah.
said you're using it like, as an auxiliary, right?
Yeah, as a quote and unquote, yeah?
Yeah.
We use Mbwene to say Wonga. Wonga, what else? Nganzi, yeah?
Nganze.
Nganzi. Everywhere. Kiese, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Mbwene Kiese, yeah. Yes. So,
Yes.
in Kikongo, okay, I can't think of a word now, but this is it. Okay, well done, Tetale, yeah?
I like this. This is good. I like this. It's more challenging.
No, yeah, because you have all the data. Are you with me, Tetale? Yes?
Yeah.
Kikongo, historically, we are, I mean, there's a saying in Kikongo, Akwa kangu katu, what was it? Akwa kangu bakatu, akwa nguba kangu katu. Yes? In Lingala, they say the other way. But when a kingo mayagizati, they say that. But when a mayaga kingo zati. Yes, that's So we got all it is needed. We have it, Bakongo people. Yes. Guess what? People don't learn. See, you wouldn't believe it, but okay. You know, Nkento. What does it mean, Nkento?
Kento is that's woman, right?
Yes. Okay. People always say that Nkento is two words. Nke meaning small, and just give me 1 second. I want to display it again. This is very important. Very, very important, because we want to clarify something. Nkento, people say that Nkento means Nke small, Nto is source, yes? Yeah, no source. What is it? You understand French, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, la source. How do you say la source?
The
Fount, yeah? Fountain, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just try to display. This is critical, and I'm sure people are watching. Want them to. Yesterday we learned. Have you ever heard about Congo de Tuku?
Congo Tuku? No. I know Congo.
Tuku mean Genesis, the beginning.
No.
Congo de Tuku, no? No, totally, no.
No. No. I know Congo the Antote.
Tuku, because. Oh, well done. No, yeah, good. Congo de Totela from, when was that? 14th century. But before that, guess what? Between historians say that between 4th and 8th century ADS. This
Yeah.
is the origin when Congo they took is the not the proper Congo, the genesis, the Congo is the beginning of the Congo. Yeah, the Congo
Yeah.
Kingdom.
Oh, the founding or the beginning, right?
Yes, it was founded by two ladies, not two ladies, sorry, four ladies. Yes, Kenge, Tona, Pangala, Konzo. Yes, I'm just want to oh no, I can't do it. Sorry, I can't do it because one work. Let me try if I can one work. Let me see if it's going to work because the settings. I'm testing something. Can you see the? We are vertical. Totally. Can you see that?
Yeah. It's like yeah. I think are we on the phone?
No, no, no,
Oh,
no,
it's
no.
different. Okay.
Yeah, we are. I'm just trying. I'm testing something because most people watch on use Instagram. The format is
Oh,
vertical.
okay, okay, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. No, yeah. Because that's why I'm
yeah,
noticed it's small. That's what I thought it was.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Let me just try to display my. Where is it? I don't know about the if you'll be able to read it. Let me try to yeah to add it. Are you able to read it, Italian?
Oh wow, it is
Too
very
small.
small. But
Ah,
I mean,
yes.
I can see it says Ndumba, right?
Okay, let me
A
just
woman of middle age often get
I don't want.
gallantly.
Let me just move. Go move. Move. This one. Can you read it? Small.
It's small. Let me see if I can zoom my make my screen bigger. Yeah, no,
Okay.
it's I can't read.
I'm just going to read it for you. Uh, Kento. There are few well-known contracted words among the Bantu languages, such as Nkento, a woman. Guess what? Nkento comes from Nkazintu, or Nkazimuntu. Hmm? Kazi means, how do you say it into English? Kazi means not mate, but family member, yes?
Yeah.
You, yeah, you could say mate, family member, all this,
No,
yeah?
relative.
Relative, yes. Yes, relative, yeah. Well done. Kazimuntu, which is found as Amukazendu in Herero. I think Amukazendu is language in Herero, Damarand. Herero people are in south of Angola, yes? So,
Okay.
in Kento, this is the origin. But people, because, let me go back, because people, it is a tradition, sadly. We rely on word of mouth than reading
Written.
the
Yeah.
yeah that's so if my great said that Kento mean small fountain and then my dad said that, okay, it's true. This is what people have been saying for a long time, so we are teaching that this because we want people to know that it's not true. Kento does not mean a small fountain. Yeah, can you see this one? This one should be
Yeah,
big, yeah.
I can see that. Yeah.
Yeah. This is my French class yesterday. Kento, ce n'est pas nke. Because nke means small. Kikongo. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
To means fountain. So people, this is, I mean, ahead of that, when was that? Late 70s. Yes, someone used to say that, but it is wrong, absolutely wrong. But guess what? People believe in that, yes?
Hmm.
People believe that it's true that Nkento means small fountain. No, no, no. Nkento means like okay, I forgot to read to you the other word. You know, kuluntu, yes,
Include yeah,
kuluntu, totally.
yeah, like older. Yeah.
Yeah, but yes, kuluntu, an elder from kulumuntu. No, muntu, the human, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, usually connotation with man and ntu. Nkulu means nkulu. Any idea?
Nkulu.
Nkulu.
Uh,
Old,
The only thing
old, old, old,
okay. Okay.
old. Yes, nkulu. That's why when we say nkulu to mean elder. Yes. So nkulu comes from nkulu muntu. So kento is not small sauce, small sauce, small fontaine, not une petite source in French. No, 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 no. Kento is from Kento means Nkazimuntu, or you could translate into ma. Yeah, Nkazimuntu. Yeah, this is the origin. Nkazimuntu, Nkazintu. Ntu is head. Yeah, Nkazintu mean man companion. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And guess what? In the Bible, we have the same meaning. Yes, man companion. In Kikongo, in our language, is same thing. Man companion. Well done, Tetanle. Oh, by the way, let me quickly. These are the ladies. Yeah, these are the ladies. The 4 ladies. Kenge Pangala. Yeah, Tsokonzo. Nous sommes un royaume féminin. We are a feminine kingdom. Yeah. These are the founders. Yeah. The 4 ladies. So when we were talking about feminism movement, yes, how do you call it? Feminism, yes. We were there. Our forefathers were there before. We know, ladies. We by Congo respect woman. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. So the kingdom Congo that Tuku means Congo, original Congo. When was I think I don't have it on this one. Yes, I think I wrote somewhere. What is it? No, I think I lost it. Yes, between 4th and 8th century. So long time, not today. Total. Yeah, anyway, Ndumba. Can you read it? Is it too small today?
Yeah, I can see it a little bit. Ndumba, a woman of middle age.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is often spoken
Often
of Ndumba.
yeah. Very good word, yeah, but remember Lingala has changed living.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Okay. Kediambuko. Can you translate me totally? Kediambuko.
No worries.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah.
Yeah,
Kediambuko.
never mind. Yeah, no worries. Never mind.
Yeah.
Hey, I have something that
Go ahead, totally.
Can you see it? Can you see it? My screen?
Alfonso. Oh, 1 minute. Let me see if I can.
It's a new book that just came out.
Wow. Can you display it again, Tatana, please? Wow. Afonso Mbemba is in Mvemba Anzinga. Wow.
Yeah.
Where did you buy it?
I just got it last week. I saw someone had it on Facebook. They were showing it. So then I was, because I have other books too, like with the foundation or the founding of Banza Congo, some of the the different kings, the kingdom. So I ordered it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start reading about it. It's actually it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It goes into the correspondence between. Yes. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Go ahead, please.
You know,
Oh, I've lost you. Are you there, Tadane?
I'm here.
Yes. You were saying is what is the book about? Is it found? Is it about Banza Congo? The words Banza Congo. Yeah, I can hear you. Totally. Can you hear me, Totally?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, you were talking about the book. What is the book about?
It's about I just started reading. It's about respondents. A lot of the letters that was written. But it goes into a lot of about basically about his life and his correspondence.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well done, Totally. Well done. Okay. Thank you very much, Totally. Have a good week.
Sure, you too.
See you Sunday. Yo,
All right.
Yo.
I'll be ready.
Yo. When I say yo, what do you answer me? Yo. You said the same thing. Yo mean ciao. Yo, eh?
Oh, yo. Okay, yo.
Yeah. Ciao. Bye. See you.
Okay.
Bimba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Villiers-Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Kalaba. Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magwar Boko. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Yes,